Hello, I'm Matthew Msengati, the designer and developer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a button the right way. Let's just jump straight into it. First, I'm going to create a button the wrong way, and I'm going to highlight some issues with this method. You take your rectangle, and then from then you give it a color. And then from then you click on it, and then you change the radius. Let's say you make it a radius of 10. And then from then, that's a button. Obviously you need a text, and then from then you will type login. Take this text, put it into the center. You will change the color of the text to white so that it can be more visible, and that's it. And then you will highlight everything and then center it vertically and center it horizontally. And what's the best thing to do next? You will group it so that you can move it around. And that is it. This looks like a perfect button, but we've got a better way for creating a button. Why? Let's try to make the button bigger or smaller. As you can see, look at what is happening to the text, and let's see when we're making it bigger. Obviously this space is not the same as this one. This space is smaller and this gap is a little bit bigger. So to fix these issues, let's create the button the right way. So to create the button the right way, you will just take the text. You start with the text, login, and then from then you will add an auto layout to this text. How do you do that? You click here and say add auto layout, or you can click Shift A. Once you are done with auto layout, you can add a background color to the auto layout. And then from then, let's also change the color to white. And that's it. And then we can change the radius, let's say to 5. We have a button. Let's try to scale it and see what is going to happen and how are we going to fix this problem. So we can try to scale it. As you can see, this login doesn't move. It's not centered. So this is a problem. But how do you solve this problem? Then you click on your layout, and then you align things center. And then from then, you've got your text in the center. And then from here, you can make your button bigger or smaller without facing issues. As you can see, that is it. If you feel like this video has added a value in your overall understanding of FIGMA and user interface design, please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. Otherwise, for me, Matthew Msengati, see you on the next one.